Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is a special day because we are going to look at the top 5 best workshop inventions. If you are passionate about mechanics, this is the video for you. But before we start, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. Without further ado, let's get started. We kick off our video today with Snap-on experts from companies have found a way to sell tool cabinets for $35,000. All you have to do is put them on wheels, add brakes, and give them a catchy name like Epic. An average Epic locker rides on 14 or 17-inch wheels and can hold up to 7.2 tons. The storage system is well thought out. For example, these quick-draw drawers have dividers and are great for storing loose fasteners, and the extra-wide drawers, which measure 157.5 centimeters, are also very practical. Overall, this box is so large that it is excellent as a mobile workstation. But whether it is worth the price it costs is a valid question. These air jacks are nicknamed Snowman because of their peculiar shape. Unlike a typical snowman holding only a carrot nose and a bucket hat, this jack can handle loads of several tons. For example, it can lift 2.5 tons at a height of 385 millimeters. Its slightly stronger counterparts can handle 6 tons and provide a maximum lift of 400 millimeters. You can buy one of these jacks for $206. The manufacturers did not bother with the name of this crick and simply called it Up and Down for $3,000. They focused on understanding the desires of car enthusiasts. As a result, this 19-kilogram jack can lift cars weighing up to 3 tons, claimed to be able to lift both front and rear axles and also struts. In addition, the lifting process can be speeded up if necessary by using a drill. The price of this jack is $639. On the roads of China, a repairman is on the move to reach the next customer using this amazing truck. Is essentially a mobile workshop, and its distinguishing feature is a 3-ton folding lift. These lifts are manufactured by the company EAE, which is a major Chinese supplier of equipment of this type. This tool, and something you may have encountered in auto repair, is called a puller and is useful for repairing dents. The process involves the craftsman spot welding the base of the dent and then pulling the handle of the device toward himself. Here's a quick way to get the job done. The puller you see on the screen can do 30 pulls in 1 minute, and the welding itself takes just 3 seconds. For added convenience, it includes 3 round and 3 square stops of various sizes to limit the work area. It is possible to purchase this tool for $3,000. Thank you all for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the little bell to get updates on the latest videos coming out. Hi guys!